Let's understand the difference between many and much. Many is used with countable nouns, that is with apples, books, people, chairs, pens. Examples: how many apples are there? And second is much. It is used with uncountable nouns that cannot be counted by one. Example: water, rice, sugar, time, information, money, milk. These are the things which we cannot count. Examples: how much water do you drink? So let's understand it with more examples. The first one is: how dash potatoes are there in the basket? Potatoes countable, so answer is many. She drank 2 dash coffee this morning. Coffee is uncountable, much. Answer. So there aren't dash tomatoes in fridge. Tomatoes are countable. Answer is many. How dash students are there in classroom? Students are countable. Answer is many. Taking 2 dash sugar will make you sluggish. Sugar is uncountable. Answer is much. There are 2 dash books on the shelf. Books are countable. Answer is many. There aren't dash car in the street today. Cars are countable, so answer is many. How dash rice have we got for dinner? Rice is uncountable. Answer is much. I haven't got dash homework today. So homework is uncountable, so answer is much. How much homework? How dash sandwiches do you need for picnic? It is countable, so answer is many. Oh, I can't go out with you. I haven't got dash money. Money is uncountable. Answer is much. And how dash clothes did you buy yesterday? Dash clothes. Countable. Answer is many. And I am on holiday. I have got to dash time to spend. Time is uncountable thing. Answer is much. There is 2 dash ice cream. It's enough for everybody. Answer is ice cream is countable. Answer is many. How dash people are there in museum? People are countable. Answer is many. 2 dash salt is not good for your health. Your turn. Write down in comment section.